F it, let's do this. I had absolutely every intention of walking you guys through a Sunday closing the farm stand, but I can't because it's raining. But a blessing to that can't because it's raining is that I had a family birthday party here tonight, and my daughter and my nephews thought that they would be sweet and close the farm stand for me. So they brought in all my extra loaves and they picked up all my signs. I wish I could show you guys or pause for a second so you could hear just like this steady rain that's falling. And I will tell you, living in Colorado, steady rain, although it's not completely uncommon, it doesn't happen a lot. We're kind of like semi-arid. So kind of closed the stand for me. And the social media person in me was immediately like, oh my gosh, like, don't do that. I want to share that. Like, I share that. Like, that's my thing I do with you guys. Then I had to like stop and be like, these people that are in my life are trying to genuinely help me. So I'm not going to stop them. So I just have to tell you about that while I sit on my grandma rocking chair with my glass of wine in what is a really nice, soothing, kind of chilly rainfall. You guys will find it so hilarious because I made exactly 10 extra loaves. And do you guys want to know what exactly I had extra? 10 extra loaves of sourdough bread. I know that might frustrate some people. And initially I wanted to be frustrated, but this weekend I got out there, I met people, talked to people. It was awesome. So if you're out there and you have a farm stand and you have a bad weekend, I want you to stop and think about the things that you maybe have gained that maybe aren't monetary. I know it helps me and I hope it helps you. So I'll put some totals on the screen. If the rain calms a little bit, maybe I'll wander out and empty the cash box and add that to this video. But right now, it's starting to get a little extra chilly. And this wine girl might have to take her rocking chair inside. But no matter what, whether or not I take you out there, I'll share all the deets. I'm feeling really blessed. And I just want to encourage you out there. Not everything out there, not everything has a monetary value attached to it. Sometimes it's deeper and it means more. Look for that, especially if you're new to the farm stand. Focus on that a little bit. It was hard for me at first. I'm focusing on that more, and I'm loving it. Happy Sunday. F it, let's do this. I gotta lock the chickens up anyway. I'm already in pain. Let's check the cash box. Oh, they didn't do my crap. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh. Okay. They tried. This needs to go. Okay. I'm glad I came out. They didn't do a lot of things. They tried. Put that down. Elena and Caleb are here. We will be back. Yes. Guys, this is going to be the fastest freaking close up. It is so cold. We gotta close the chickens up. Okay. That is cold. You guys are my light. Gotta lock up the chicken. This is the glamorous part of owning chickens. You can't leave them to their own devices. You got this. We got it. It's a cold night. We closed the farm stand. I wanted to leave you on this poetic, like, love the farm stand. Whatever. It's poetic and it's messy. Happy Sunday.